Nowadays, anti-heroes have become much more popular than superheroes. You may be wondering why. Well, here's the thing. With their crucial motives, crude humor, and traumatic pasts, anti-heroes aren't just harder than heroes, they're more relatable than them. Anti-hero is a person who takes whatever to win. It doesn't matter for them to be sided with good or bad persons. All they want is to win their fight by any means necessary to see the next day. They're flawed and have their own weaknesses and motivations, which is completely relatable. We're flawed and filled with issues humans have. We tend to like more anti-heroes because, as we said, they're more like us. They're more human, and in consequence, they have human feelings. The reader or viewer can identify with those faults, and that makes a special connection with the character. Anti-heroes give seductive storylines, like if make it such an unsuspecting action. They're usually predictable characters, making weird actions and taking unexpected decisions compared to the relatable stories of heroes that always follow the same pattern.
On the other hand, the classic hero, despite his past and faults, is basically perfect and has a clear code to boldly stand for something, which requires clearly and simultaneously standing against its opposite. A characteristic that is not very common in the public nowadays, that is commonly teenagers. Although they possess admirable qualities like their determination, ambition, and honesty. People nowadays like more anti-values and enjoy doing whatever they want to do, rather than having a plan. Let's take as an example the famous and favorite pirate Jack Sparrow. This awesome character is an excellent example of unexpected and weird decisions with the only goal to achieve his own objectives. For instance, he betrays friends, people and other pirates, runs away from depths, trouble, and always gets what he wants. The way they show this character as a normal person with faults and unexpected decisions make us to love him and make a strong connection with him. We live in a society in which every individual sees the best for them and not for others. They want to achieve their personal goals no matter what, such as getting rich or take what they want, leading to a closed-mind thought. A very good example of this is corruption. While some people steal money and keep getting richer, they leave others poorer. Since this is the principal characteristic of anti-heroes, to achieve their own goals no matter what. This talks about a cynical and indifferent society.
Thank you very much.